Hi guys, it's me Karen and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today I am doing a requested video on the completed pages that I have in this book. This will be an update from the last one I did. It's not quite completed yet, but the person wanted to see an updated video of the completed pages in here, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So this is Magical Dawn by Hannah Carlson, and in this book I'm doing it in 4 colors. So every page has got that on it, including the front page here. So we do blue, pink, green, and purple. Did I get all the colors? Green, blue, purple, pink. Occasionally I bring in a brownish color like for his crown. And occasionally, if we have a person that I want to do in skin colors, I will do it in skin colors also. Distress ink backgrounds and diamond stickles are on almost every single page. So here we'll go ahead and do a little flip through. Here I have some silver pen on the stars, just I wanted a little more sparkle on that page. Like I said, purple, pink, green, and blue. And again, I brought in the gold colors for this one. And there's black accents, tiny bit of white in here also. So here we go. We're just going to flip through and show you the pages. I don't have to tell you what pencils I'm using. They're all PrismaColor in here. A distress ink, and again with the diamond stickles on the pages. Okay, I'm getting it all in here. I have to do this one here. I haven't done him yet. These pages are probably my first ones. And I'm waiting to do her. She's going to have the same background as this, and I'm changing some of these like little smoke things around her lips so she's not blowing the smoke out. It'll just come across her face. This one should be simple. Some of these have got acrylic painted backgrounds and then white splatter with just acrylic paint. The black background is done with this one. It is pure black acrylic matte colored paint. And then the white is matte acrylic paint also. This one has gold glitter stickles on it. I gotta do the kitty. Don't have the heart to do that yet. This one was probably one that I did with the other ones back there. Okay. Distress ink backgrounds again, and yeah, these are diamond stickles. When you put it on the green, it almost looks like it's gold, which is kind of cool. Did the bunny rabbit. I really like how she turned out with the birds. Started some skin tone on these gals. It's really hard because of the stickles that are on this side to try to get a smooth face on here, and I did have a little problem with a little bit of water leaking through on that page, so it'll have a blue background like this. They look really good when you do the 2 pages in black. Love that page too. Our little snake gal. Our little birdies. Oh, great. High schoolers are out. So sorry you have to listen to that. Bubbles were done with a stencil I have. All these are in video form if you wanted to look them up. If you go to my page, I have a collection of Magical Dawn by Karen / ZucchiniKitty. that you can see all of these in. Had a little spill of black paint here, so this background will be black when I get to it. Started the little snake here. I added this piece here. This is not there, but I added it underneath here, so these two pages will be done at the same time. Got a little bit of what do you call it, pick up from this bird here. It's not going to make much difference because these flowers are going to be pink and they're going to have centers, so it'll cover this up. But it did bleed the, I guess I was doing like this page and I pressed too hard and it transferred. Got to be careful with the Prismas, that'll do that. Just did this one to go with this page here. I may go back in here and put a little more ink on this page. I'm not sure. Just so they'd be cohesive. It's the little guy from the front page. Did a little bird here, but I have not done the background here, and it will get the white dots on it also when it's done. This one, I believe, has stardust stickles on it. They're more of a blue color. Went well with that one. The big kitty. The big flower. Like I said, I don't need to tell you what pencils they are, so it's kind of, I don't know what to say about the pages. These little dots are done with a little tool dipped in the white paint and just dotted around a little ball on a stick. I don't know if I know where it is. I don't think see it. But if you watch that video, you'll see what it is. I have a little brown, that would be that one. Little gathered twigs on that just to bring the gold out to the edges. That's all I did on that one. That page kind of needed that. Changed the inside of the crown on that one. Changed the background on this one. Added things to this page. This, and a couple of these are actual cut out die pieces that I've glued down onto the page because there was really nothing over here except for a couple little snowflakes, so I just kind of added them on there to make it look a little bit more, I don't even know how to say it, balanced. Because it was not balanced at all. And we got the bunny to do yet. And then I've outlined this butterfly. I haven't done it, but I've outlined it. And then I have to do that page. And I've done the back. So there we go. That is a updated video on the completed pages I have so far. So thank you for requesting that video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have any comments, leave them down in the comment section down below. I'll get to them as soon as I can, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Take care, everyone. Bye now.